Hello, food lovers! Today we're diving deep into the beautiful blend of culinary arts and mindfulness. Thought about how your time in the kitchen can be therapeutic? Well, you're in for a treat, exploring 6 culinary techniques that not only enhance your cooking but also your mindfulness. Let's get started. First on our list is mindful chopping. Choose your vegetable, be it a carrot, onion, or bell pepper. Feel its texture. Listen to the sound it makes as you slice through. Focus on each chop and you'll find a rhythm that's both meditative and very satisfying. Next is sensory cooking. Engage all your senses. Listen to the sizzle, smell the aromas, watch the colors change, and eventually taste the magic. This technique allows you to be truly present in the moment. The art of kneading dough can be so therapeutic. Feel the dough beneath your fingers, notice its transformation, and get lost in the repetitive motion. It's a great way to release stress and create something delicious. Patience is a virtue, especially in the kitchen. Slow cooking allows flavors to meld and develop. As you wait, take this time to reflect, meditate, or simply enjoy the aroma. And presentation matters. When you plate, do it with intention. Consider the colors, textures, and arrangements. This creative process is not just for the eyes, but also for the soul. Last but not least, before you dig in, take a minute to express gratitude for the food, for the love, for the hands that prepared it, and the earth that provided it. This simple ritual can make your meal even more fulfilling. There you have it, 6 beautiful techniques to elevate your culinary journey and nurture your mind. Remember, the kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a space for self-discovery and mindfulness. Thank you for joining us today. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content. Until next time, from me, Chef Kate, happy cooking and mindful eating.